In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new agent in Freshdesk. Whether you're new to the platform or simply need a refresher, we're going to walk through the process together, step by step. So, let's dive in. To start this process, you'll need to be logged in as either an admin or account admin. Once you've got that covered, navigate to the admin section, head over to Team, and then to Agents. Here is where the magic begins. Once you're on the Agents page, look toward the top bar and find the button that says New Agent. Go ahead and click that. This brings you to a new window where you'll begin setting up your new agent's profile. Here, you'll first need to select an agent type. You have two options. Full-time agents are those who will need to log in on a daily basis, whereas occasional agents will be logging in intermittently. Choose the option that best fits the agent's intended use pattern. Moving on to the details section, you'll notice that an email address is mandatory. This is essential for setting up the agent's account. If the email you're entering isn't already in your contacts, be prepared to fill in additional information such as their name, phone number, and job title. You also have the option to add a profile photo, which can be helpful for team recognition, and it's wise to set the appropriate time zone and language preferences to ensure everything runs smoothly for the agent. Don't forget about the email signature, a nice touch for consistent communication branding. Next, we're going to assign a role to the new agent. Freshdesk offers several default roles like agent, supervisor, and administrator. But perhaps your organization has specific needs, and you've already set up custom roles. Whatever the case, choose the role that aligns with the responsibilities this agent will have. It's also important to define the scope of ticket access for your new agent. Decide whether they will have access to all tickets, just tickets within a group, or only the tickets that are assigned to them. This is a crucial decision that can affect how effectively your team manages inquiries and maintains accountability. Once the access is specified, you'll need to select the applicable group or groups that this agent will belong to. This will aid in categorization and efficient workflow management. After all these settings are in place, you're set to create the agent. Click on Create Agent, and here's what happens. An activation email will be sent to the individual. This email allows them to set their own password so they can log in and start operating within the system. By following these steps, you'll have your new agent up and running in no time, ready to contribute to your team's success on Freshdesk. Thanks for watching, and happy ticketing!